Hey guys, so today I'm doing a PR unboxing. This, I already know who it's from, which is M Squared Brand Management, which they always do lovely packaging with. This time it's purple tissue paper, which I can't really show you. And it comes with a little card. Everything in here is available on well.ca. The reason that I'm doing these unboxings is to get a idea of what you want to see reviewed first, and if it should be in video form or on my blog, which is linked down below, along with all my other social media. So make sure to follow me on there and click subscribe while you're down there. Which, this is the last box until they're saying September. If you're a blogger, I would recommend signing up with them, or YouTube. The first thing in here is the Urban Spa bedtime booties for which says soften feet and cuticles. Wake up to soft feet. Our bleach-free moisturizing booties to keep your feet soft and smooth between pedicures. Basically, it just keeps your feet from getting foot moisturizers everywhere. So I'm going to chuck that over on my table to my right. Next in here, I've already tried this because I got this box yesterday. Actually, it'll probably be 2 days ago, which is the Divine, when you guys see this, maybe watch it the same day it's uploaded, which is the Divine Essence Organic Wild Cornflower Floral Water for tired eyes and dark circles, and all skin types. Oh jeez, almost taking this out. This smells, it doesn't smell overly floral, which was my main concern because I have allergies, but it doesn't smell, it kind of smells floral, but it doesn't really smell floral. It says shake well before use, apply onto cotton pad, or apply this eye contour area, and you can also spray it on your face. I've only sprayed it on my face just to cool down. That is going in my fridge later, I think. Next in here is new Natural Advantage Canna Organic Blend, which I did include a little pamphlet. They were started in 2016, and this is a vegan protein capsule, which is kind of interesting because protein is, my sister is going vegetarian / vegan, so I'm kind of interested in this because it's just interesting to see vegan protein supplements. And I already go. I opened it last night and it was so much easier. Okay. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. They look like normal supplements. They smell slightly like the smell. I should never smell supplements. I always do though. I don't know why. Onto the bed. Then I'm going to grab this, which is the Divine Essence Organic Rosehip Oil Beauty Oil. This is anti-aging and regenerating. I'm not overly familiar with rosehip oil. I know that it is in a lot of natural skincare, and I'm pretty sure it's good for moisturizing. But this is going to be interesting, because it literally is just rosehip oil. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm allergic to it, but I'm just gonna go. It's roses scare. Like anything with a rose in the title, I'm just like, I'm slightly scared. All good tea tree and basil deodorant, naturally effective protection. This has no aluminum, no parabens, and no sulfates. That word is one of those words I can't. Which it's the second. It's like, it is cruelty free, like all these are, and GMO free, gluten free, vegan. I have tried this yesterday. It smells kind of like, it smells so much of tea tree. I get a little bit of basil, but not a lot. I'm still 100% sure, because there is baking soda in this, and some people have been sensitive to baking soda in the past, so I'm kind of on the fence. I have liked other deodorants that they have sent in the past, so that's gonna be interesting. Okay, I'm trying to get this out of the box without like tilting over the box. There's also, they sent this last year, and it's like right in my reach, which is the Boo Bamboo Natural Sunscreen Spray. This is SPF 30, which is always nice. This year they sent one of the normal ones, which is sealed. I'm not going to open that. And they also sent a kids one. I can't tell the difference between, like, ingredients wise. What's the difference? There may be a few extra, like, ingredients in the normal spray. And if you're worried about environmental impact with these, they actually don't use the traditional aerosol spray. They use air containers inside that refill as you use them, so there's no chemical sprayers. It's actually just air pressure, which means you actually have to press a little bit harder to get the product out, but less environmental damage. They're also one of the brands that only contains zinc oxide, so you can actually take it to Hawaii and not have to worry about the coral reefs. These are cool. They're just kind of, they're one of my favorite sunscreens. One of my favorite sunscreens. I'm always excited to see them. Well, yeah. I hate this brand's name, and it's German. And every single time I ask, I can never pronounce it right, even though I know how to pronounce it. Which is right there. I'm not sure if my camera's gonna reflect this. This is the nail care pen, and this is the nail cuticle softener pen. Nail care me, I'm not a huge person into nail care, so I'm gonna have to look up how to use these before I even try them. Seriously, like, I paint my nails and that's it. So I'm like completely out for that. And anything underneath the tissue paper? Okay, no. Box you can go on the floor. Last things in here are hair care, which is more tea tree. Okay. I think I'm square just trying to keep, ooh, there's a squirrel. Keep all the ticks and bugs off of us, because tea tree oil actually has a very strong scent and actually helps with. The squirrel is distracting me so badly. Insect repellent, which this is the tea tree oil triple treat invigorating shampoo and conditioner. These are the travel sizes, which they do have giant ones. Like, they have really big ones, which contains botanical oils of cooling peppermint, conditioning rosemary, and clarifying eucalyptus. Sorry, I have to lean back. My back's bothering me. These are made with 100% vegetarian ingredients, and they have the Leaping Bunny approval on the back. I've never actually seen vegetarian ingredients like listed. I always see either vegan or have nothing on it other than cruelty free. So that's kind of like, this brand always like interested in. Oh, that smells good. It smells like tea tree oil and mint. And last thing in here is the LA Hold Hair Spritz Maximum Hold Giovanni Hairspray. Provides maximum hold for style control. Also vegetarian, 100% vegetarian ingredients. We do not add parabens, lauryl sulfate dye, or P&G to this product. Does that actually say it? Oh, well. You know, I don't have my glasses on when. But if there's anything that you want to see reviewed, leave it in the comment section down below. Leave a comment or a like about anything you want to talk about, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.